What's up guys, Jason with Little Guy Big Reviews. Now last week I reviewed 3 unique bottle cap openers. One was this cool little army bottle cap opener. The other one was Thor's hammer. Now I'll link the description below if you want to check that out. But today I'm going to review another 2 unique bottle cap openers. So stay tuned. Okay, so who's ready to get this review started? Is it you? How about you? You over there? Yeah. You? No? You? I know you're ready. Going to be opening and reviewing 2 unique bottle cap opener gadgets that I found on Amazon. One is a hammer / bottle cap opener. The second one is called Pop Top. This thing is gonna be great. If you go to a party, you can just line up bottles and just pop, 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 pop. You're gonna impress everybody in the party. So here is the bottle cap / hammer. And what it says you can do on here is you can crush ice with it, open bottles. It's a stainless steel hammer, so you can hammer, plus it has a rubber mallet. Whoa, whoa. So let me go ahead and open this up. This thing, it seems kind of dangerous already, just bobbling around in here. So here you go. Let's take a look at it. Here is the rubber portion of it. This is the hammer end, and right here is the bottle cap end. It feels like like a hobby hammer, but I mean, I'm sold because if it has a bottle cap opener on it, I'm completely good with that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open up a couple bottles with this first, then we're gonna take it outside and grab some nails, and then we're gonna hammer some stuff and see if it actually is functional with the bottle cap and the hammer as it says. So let's grab a bottle. We're gonna take the sangria first. Now I believe what you wanna do is, okay, so the teeth right here, you're gonna put at the bottom of the bottle cap. And then you're gonna just pop it. You can see it. Oh, this is gonna be like freaking butter. Look at that. Oh man, like butter. That thing was easy, crazy easy. I mean, that was like nothing to it. Okay, so let me grab one of these other bottles really quick, and we're gonna do it one more time. Tooth, and then pop it. Oh, that was a little harder on that one, but it did the trick. Okay, I'm sold that it can open bottles, but what I really want to test out is if this thing can and hammer like it says it can. Let's go test it out. Okay, so I grabbed 3 nails. I'm just gonna hammer these in really quick and see if the hammer is actually really useful or not. All right, all 3 of them are in. Let's take a look. You can see that all 3 of them went in all the way. So I'm gonna say the hammer really does work. This is probably gonna be the funnest part of the review for me. It says that it can smash and crush ice. Well, I got some ice and I got this hammer. So I guess there's nothing else to do but go ahead and see if it really crushes ice, right? Yes, I love this part of my job. And then once I'm finished, we'll pour it in the bowl and see how good it actually crushes ice. I thought about putting it in the bowl first and then crushing it, but then reality kicked in and I said, hey, you know what? That's not a smart idea because ice is just gonna shoot everywhere. So let's be smart about it and let's keep it in the bag. Bing, little light bulb. So I'm just gonna rip the bag right here. Rip it right here. And turn it around. And here we go with some crushed ice. I think it did what it said. It broke the cubes apart. I'm really happy with this thing. It works. It does exactly what it says it does. You can open up bottles. You can hammer some nails. You can crush some ice. Let's go ahead and check out the pop top now. So here it is. This is the pop top. As you can see, it'll open up bottles. It's a rapid thing. This thing is gonna just pop, pop, pop. Let me open it up for you guys. Take it out of the box. Show you what it looks like. So here's a pop top. At the bottom, if you can see here, when you push it in, what it does, it grabs and will pop the bottle itself. All you gotta do is you grab one, you place it like this. Now you guys are gonna be super amazed. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And then there you go. See that? It is just that easy. And I kind of wish that this had a magnet at the bottom of it. That way, when you pop it, this won't just fly out everywhere. I would like if you had a magnet, you know, it would just come and you could just pop it and then it would just drop right there instead of everywhere. But for cool factor, this thing is gonna wow you like crazy. It's gonna crazy wow you. And you're definitely gonna get a wow factor at the party. So let's go ahead and do one more. And 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh, what happened on that one? Uh-oh, that's not good. Let's try this again. Okay, there we go. We got it. 1, 2, 3, pop it up. Look at that. And it's crazy because it doesn't, if you look at the cap, it looks like you could just put it right back on. Pretty tight. Let's do it fast. Oh, yeah. Let's go ahead. We'll grab another one. And 1, 2, 3. Wow. Wow, guys. Comment below if you guys are liking the pop tool. This thing is awesome. This could probably be one of the best bottle openers that I've ever used. There's like no pressure at all to get it to pop. You just push down and then boom. This is probably one of the best ones I've ever had. All right, so I think you guys are ready. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the rest of these, we're gonna line them all up, and then I'm just gonna go pop, pop, pop. I'm gonna just pop them off like crazy, and I will be drinking these later tonight. So thank goodness for the pop top. Okay, all right, so here we go, ready? Let me spread them out just a little bit more. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm gonna try and just break a record right here. Again, if you guys have this or you get this and you take it to a party, comment below how many people gave you the wow factor eyes, okay? Here we go. Boom. Boom, there we go. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Look at that. I literally just opened a 6-pack in probably 6 seconds. Let me know in the comment section below, guys. Did you like the pop top opener better, or did you like the hammer bottle cap opener better? And also in the comments, let me know what you guys would like me to review next. Any kind of gadget, put it down there and I'm gonna get it for you. And before you guys go, check out these videos and also subscribe and hit the bell notifications. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Little Guy. Peace.